In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add BBImpulse Indicator in TradingView Pro, quick and easy guide. Before we jump in, make sure you're already logged into your TradingView Pro account and have a chart open. It can be any market or time frame. The process is exactly the same. This indicator will simply be added on top of whatever chart you're currently viewing. Let's start by adding the indicator to your chart. Look towards the top of your TradingView interface and find the Indicators button. It's usually near the middle of the toolbar above your chart. Go ahead and click that. This opens up the Indicators and Strategies window, where you can search and browse all the tools available on TradingView. Inside that window, you'll see a search bar at the top. This is where you'll quickly find the BBImpulse Indicator without having to scroll through long lists. Click into the search bar so your cursor is active there and you're ready to type. Now start typing the name of the indicator, BBImpulse Indicator. As you type, TradingView will automatically filter the list of results below. You should see the BBImpulse Indicator appear in the drop-down or in the main list. Once you see it, move your mouse over it and click on it once. As soon as you do that, the indicator will be added directly to your chart. After it's added, you'll want to customize it so it works best with your trading style and the markets you're analyzing. To do that, hover your mouse over the indicator's name, which usually appears at the top left of the chart or in the indicators list. You'll see a small gear icon which represents settings. Click on that gear icon to open the settings panel for the BBImpulse Indicator. In the settings window, you can adjust things like input parameters, colors, and visual style. Take your time here and make changes that make the indicator easy for you to read. For example, you might want to adjust line thickness, change colors for better contrast against your chart background, or tweak any default values according to your personal strategy. When you're done, click OK or close the window, and your changes will be applied instantly. If you haven't signed up for TradingView Pro yet and you want access to these kinds of tools with fewer limitations, use the link in my description to sign up. That way you can follow along exactly as I've shown and get the full benefit of the BBImpulse Indicator on your chart.